Welcome to my Electronics Know-How, a step-by-step learning channel. In this video, you are going to learn Ohm's Law. Ohm's Law is very important to understand the electronic circuits thoroughly. It is a very important law in electronics. So we shall learn Ohm's Law thoroughly in the simple way. I am going to explain to you step by step this Ohm's Law. First, we understand what is electric current. An electric current is a movement of electrons. The intensity of a current or the amount of moving electrons per second is expressed in amperes. The symbol is A. Electromotive force or the EMF or the voltage, the driving force developed by a source of electric current, is called the electromotive force, EMF, expressed in volts. The symbol for volts is V. Resistance. Resistance is the property of a conductor to oppose electric current and is expressed in ohms. The symbol is given here, Ohm symbol. The relationship between voltage, current and resistance is stated in the Ohm's Law, provided the temperature is kept constant. If we vary the temperature, voltage, current and the resistance of the electronic components vary. So also the Ohm's Law vary its characteristics. Hence, the temperature should be kept constant. Ohm's Law. A current of 1 ampere will flow if a resistance of 1 ohm is connected to a voltage of 1 volt. That is, Ohm's Law is given current is equal to voltage by resistance. Simply we can understand from this. Hence, Ohm's Law, the formula is current is equal to voltage by resistance. I is equal to E by R, where I is equal to I is current flowing in amperes. E is the EMF or the potential difference in volts, R is the resistance in ohms. So simply the Ohm's Law is I is equal to E by R. From this Ohm's Law, we can calculate voltage circuit. E is equal to the product of current and resistance, I into R. So E is equal to IR. From this formula, we can also calculate resistance R. R is the resistance given by R is equal to voltage by current, E by I. So if you want to calculate the resistance, divide the voltage by current. If any two values are known, Ohm's Law enables us to calculate the third one. If we know the voltage and current, we can find out the resistance. If we know the voltage and resistance, we can calculate the current. If we know the resistance and current, we can find out the voltage. So, if any two values are known, we can easily calculate other third component. Now, we can study how to calculate current from the Ohm's Law formula. Illustration 1 gives a resistance of 100 ohms is connected to a battery of 100 volts. Find the current that flows through the resistor. Ohm's Law is I is equal to E by R. Substituting the values of E and R, that is 100 volts by 100 ohms, that gives 1 ampere. So the current flows through the resistor is 1 ampere. The second illustration states a resistance of 900 ohms is connected to a battery of 90 volts. Find the current that flows through the resistor. Ohm's law is I is equal to E by R. Substituting the values 90 volts by 900 ohms, that gives us 0.1 ampere, that is 100 milliamps. Now, how to calculate voltage from the Ohm's law? The illustration 3 states the current of 10 milliampere is flowing through a resistor of 100 ohms. Find the voltage over the resistance. The Ohm's law states E is equal to I into R, the product of current and resistance. Current is 0.01 ampere, that is 10 milliamps is equal to 0.01 ampere, that is multiplied by 100 ohms, that gives us 1 volt. Illustration 4. A current of 100 milliampere is flowing through a resistor of 500 ohms. Find the voltage over the resistance. E is equal to I into R. 100 milliamps is 0.1 ampere multiplied by 500. That gives us 550 volts. How to calculate resistance? Illustration 5. A resistance is connected to a 1.5 volt battery. 1.5 volt battery. If the resistance draws a current of 100 milliamperes, calculate the resistance value. R is equal to E by I, that is derived from the Ohm's law. Substituting the values of E and I, 1.5 volt divided by 0.1 ampere, that gives us 15 ohms. So the resistance value is 15 ohms. Illustration 6. The filament of a dial lamp is connected to a 3 volt battery. If the filament draws a current of 150 milliamps, calculate the resistance of the filament. R is equal to E by I, that is derived from the Ohm's law. Substituting the values E and I, 3 volt by 0.15 amperes. 150 milliamps is equal to 0.15 ampere. So that gives us 20 ohms. So resistance of the filament is 20 ohms. Thus, we can easily calculate voltage, current and resistance from the known given two values. That is the Ohm's law. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.